Hello students, this is Dr. P. A. Rajeshwari, Assistant Professor in the Department of Food Science and Nutrition, standing before you to present a topic on special foods during lactation. Lactation is the golden period, also known as nursing, which means taking care and feeding the newborn baby through breast milk. Lactation is the natural process that starts soon after delivery through several hormonal and nervous mechanisms. Apart from these, mother's diet play a major role in influencing the quantity and quality of the breast milk produced. It has been known from ancient history that some plants and their products supports and increases milk production. Mother goddesses were associated with barley grain, the almond, coconut, lotus, the elder tree, and many other plants and foods that were used from ancient times to increase milk production. Many breastfeeding mothers wonder whether the foods they eat will affect their breast milk production. Even somebody may also get wondered, is it necessary to avoid certain foods that are said to cause digestive problems or allergies in the baby, to eat special foods to make the right amount of milk or the best quality of milk for the baby. Postnatal diet care for the mother. After delivery of the baby, first 40 days is considered to be the precious period when gradual restoration of the health for the both baby and the new mother takes place. A newborn child could be allergic to some foods and it is necessary to avoid them completely from the diet of the mother. So, it is advised to eat healthy as well as easily digestible foods which have very low allergic rates. Getting a good start the first few days after delivery can be helpful in supporting the onset and development of a mother's breast milk supply. A few points taken into consideration are: first one, good and healthy carbohydrates improve the energy status of the maternal body, which helps in sufficient milk production. Second, sufficient amount of fluids should be included in the diet that really improves milk production. Third, 5 food groups should be included in the daily meal that includes a source of protein, a portion of green salad, a grain such as millet or rice, and cooked vegetables such as yam, carrot, and fenugreek. Fourth point, spices should be moderately used. Lactogenic spices can be used, for instance, with sea salt and garlic. Fifth point, take probiotic curd or yogurt or lactobacilli supplement to protect the intestinal flora and to help prevent colic pain and allergy in babies.
Let us now move on to the foods to be avoided during lactation.
Gas forming and difficult to digest foods like beans, chana, raw banana, potatoes, fine wheat bakery products, cauliflower, cabbage, broccoli, peanuts and meat. Chili and spices. Citrus fruits and vegetables are to be avoided for few days after birth. Extreme sour foods like lemon, raw mangoes, etc. The baby may be absolutely fine with it. Is better to try it after first 40 days. Avoid excess oil in cooking. Instead, ghee can be used liberally. Alcohol, cigarettes, caffeine should be avoided throughout breastfeeding period, as the traces may pass through breast milk and thus affect the infant. Taking medicines on the own may cause severe effects on the baby's health. So it is good to consult a doctor to take any kind of medicine for any health issues. In addition, when the mother is breastfeeding and toggling between low supply or just enough milk supply for the baby, the following foods have to be avoided, which includes beans, turnips, cabbage, cauliflower, tomatoes, grapes, melon, plums, peppermint, chocolate, dairy product, sprouts, radish, cucumber, peaches, corn and other herbs from the mint family. Listen students, let me now explain about lactogenic foods. Foods that support lactation for many reasons are called lactogenic foods. Eating sufficient calories and proteins along with abundant supply of other nutrients is helpful for lactation. Any food that keeps dopamine levels low and in turn keeps prolactin levels high is considered as a lactogenic food and helps in combating low milk supply. Lactogenic foods contain substances that interact with and support the biochemistry and physiology of lactation. These substances include phytoestrogen, natural plant sedatives, plant sterols, saponins, and tryptophan. In addition, a rich supply of micronutrients and a good balance of fats make sure that the mother cells and nerves are functioning at an optimal level for milk production. Another term commonly used in the text of lactogenic foods is galactagogue. Galactagogue is a food item or exercise or medicine which can improve the breast milk production and increases the quantity of milk produced. Now, we will have a brief look at various commonly used lactogenic foods one by one. Garlic. Garlic has a long history as a galactagogue and it is known for its immense medicinal properties. Babies were seen to suckle more actively and drink more milk when the mother had garlic prior to nursing. Garlic lowers cholesterol, blood sugar, and improves immunity as it has high level of iodine. Apart from that, it is a known antifungal agent. Garlic prevents multi-cancers and is a good source of vitamin C and vitamin B6. Next comes milk. Dairy products are the main source of calcium and also provides sufficient amount of micronutrients. Milk is considered very important during lactation due to effective role as a galactagogue. In some countries, dairy foods are not considered well for breastfeeding moms, but in India, traditionally and scientifically, it has been believed that cow's milk being a good source for nursing mothers. Milk is a source for vitamin B12 and zinc for the mother to enhance milk production. Yogurt. Yogurt is loaded with high amounts of protein, calcium, potassium, phosphorus and vitamin B12, and also it is the great source of probiotics. Yogurt acts as a galactagogue and improves milk production. Eggs. Eggs are excellent galactogenic food agents that are rich in protein, vitamins, namely vitamin A, B2, B12, omega-3 fatty acids, calcium and other minerals, but sometimes cause allergy to the baby. Overall, egg improves the quantity of the milk as well as the quality of the breast milk. Seafoods. Seafoods play an important role in lactation. Fish, crab and other seafoods are excellent lactogenic foods. Shark fish and different varieties of dry fish are said to increase milk production when consumed regularly. Lactating mothers after delivery are periodically given seafoods to increase milk production. Carrot, beet and yam. These reddish vegetables are full of beta-carotene which could be provided in greater amounts during lactation. Carrot seed has been used as an galactagogue since long time. These tuber vegetables also contain the volatile oils and phytoestrogens and acts as a gentler support. The beet is a wonderful source of vitamins and minerals. Sweet potato. Sweet potato is a good source of energy and beta-carotene which improves milk production in nursing mothers. It also contains essential nutrients. Apart from that, it is the richest source of magnesium that could reduce stress and relax the nervous system during feeding. Ginger. Ginger is helpful for the let-down reflex and milk flow. Some mothers benefit from drinking ginger ale. Even commercial ginger ale is flavored with natural flavoring, that is real ginger, and available as processed drink. Green papaya. Green papaya is used as an excellent galactagogue across Asia. It is a good source of enzymes, vitamins and minerals including vitamin C, A, B and E. Green papaya is the unripe fruit and it is needed to be eaten in the cooked form to make it soft. Green papaya can also be eaten as such. Grain and legumes. Grains and legumes have long been used as galactagogue. The most commonly used grains include oats, millet, barley and rice. Oats are the most widely used lactogenic foods among cereals. It is rich in many nutrients and easy to digest. Oatmeal is believed to increase breast milk supply. Chickpea, mung beans and lentils are the main legumes used as lactogenic foods in pulse family. Barley is a lactogenic food as it contains tryptophan, which acts as a precursor for serotonin. It counteracts dopamine, which suppresses prolactin. Barley also contains the polysaccharide beta-glucan, again making it a lactogenic food. Polysaccharides are natural forms of long-chain sugar which have healing or immune-stimulating effects on the body. Foods containing polysaccharides, specifically beta-glucan, are able to encourage prolactin secretion and hence increase prolactin levels in the blood, leading to increased milk production. Another famous grain, oats, is one of the most commonly recommended lactogenic foods, even though there is actually no scientific proof that they help with milk production. It might be because not only they are comfortable food, oats also happen to be rich in iron and they do share some commonality with other lactogenic foods such as alfalfa. Brown rice. Brown rice has substances that stimulate hormones and boost lactation. It has high fiber content which maintains blood glucose levels. Apart from that, it helps in coping up to the postpartum sleep patterns. Fenugreek leaves and seeds. Fenugreek products are most famous in India as a galactagogue. Fenugreek seeds or leaves are rich in calcium, iron, minerals and vitamins. Sprouted fenugreek seeds are preferred to reduce the bitterness and increase the benefits. Dark green leafy vegetables. Dark green leafy vegetables are the potent source of minerals, vitamins and enzymes as well as phytoestrogen that supports lactation. Amaranth leaves are diuretic and can help to reduce edema during pregnancy and even after childbirth. Dark leafy greens are also rich in chlorophyll which boosts milk supply. On the other hand, the red veggies are rich in beta-carotene which improves the immune system for both mother and her baby. Many vegetables are a great source of iron and calcium, thus fortifying the quality of the breastfeeding mother's milk. Sesame seeds. Sesame seeds are rich source of calcium and are best known galactagogue. Sesame seeds are eaten in the combination of palm jaggery and garlic are more protective. It is often taken in the form of laddus or as chutney. Coconut. Coconut water is the richest and purest natural source of electrolytes and can be used to prevent dehydration while lactating. It helps regulate blood pressure and lose weight. Coconut increases medium chain fatty acid in the body, which improves the absorption of nutrients existing in the mother's diet. Hence, mother's milk contains more available nutrients for the child. Spirulina. Spirulina is a non-toxic variety of blue-green algae used as a feed for human and animals. It is valued for its protein, enzymes, minerals, vitamins, chlorophyll and essential fatty acid content. Nutrients in spirulina are highly bioavailable and are easily absorbed, which keeps it in an important position in the nursing mother's diet. Spirulina and other green foods may increase the fat content and amount of breast milk produced. Cumin seeds. Cumin seeds help digestion and improve immunity. They also reduce untreated acidity and constipation. It is believed to increase the production of breast milk. They are also a good source of iron. Cumin seeds and roasted cumin powder is widely used throughout for food preparations. In most all over India, new moms are given loads of cumin and garlic in curries or vegetable fry to enhance milk production. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are the good source of protein and fiber. It also provides omega-3 fatty acid, which plays an important role in the development of baby's brain and nervous system. It also contains DHA and alpha-linoleic acid. Aniseeds. Aniseed is used to boost up the milk supply and remove clog in mammary glands, which increases blood circulation around nipple. It is also used in cooking and Ayurvedic medicine to treat cough, cold and various other stomach problems. Fennel seeds. In many countries, fennel is one among the list of galactagogue foods. Fennel seeds are commonly consumed in the roasted form as a mouth freshener and also aids in digestion. In India, traditionally breastfeeding mothers are given a mouth freshener mix containing roasted fennel, sesame, ajwain and black salt. Chia seeds. Chia seeds are rich in protein, fiber and omega-3 fatty acids, which help in improving the mother's metabolism and acts as a galactagogue, but it is not commonly used. Nowadays, people have slowly started using chia seeds because of its medicinal properties. Tulasi, called as holy basil. Tulasi is a great herb with many medicinal properties. Tulasi tea is used as an herbal remedy to cure common cold, cough, fever, tooth disorder, eye disorder and skin disorders. It also acts as a wonderful galactagogue. Tulasi is a very good source of vitamin K and also aids in digestion. Gourds. Easy to digest vegetables like snake gourd, bottle gourd, sponge gourd are easy to digest and are believed to help increase in breast milk production. Bitter gourd contains low calories. It is a rich source of folate and other phytonutrients, which improves digestion and also improves milk secretion. Poppy seeds. Poppy seeds are soaked in milk and given as a galactagogue regularly for nursing mothers. It is made into curries and is given for lactating mothers. Asparagus root. Asparagus root helps in blanching the female hormonal system and it is used to treat female fertility problems. It promotes body's natural lactation capacity. It nourishes and cleanses the blood and the female reproductive organs. Asparagus root nourishes the womb and ovum and supports the female organs for pregnancy. It relieves pain and controls blood loss during menstruation. Water. As water is the main part of breast milk, it is important to maintain good level of water in maternal body. It is advised to drink a glass of water before breastfeeding the baby. In order to maintain sufficient water level in the body, the breastfeeding mothers are advised to take more amount of milk, water, fruit juices, vegetable soups, coconut water, buttermilk, etc. Turmeric. The powder of yellow root is used to give yellow color to the curry and basic flavor. It is used as a potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant agent. Turmeric also has lactogenic properties and can be used to treat inflammatory conditions in the breast. Almonds. Almonds are one of the richest source of protein and vitamin E. Eating soaked almonds, that is 4 to 5 every day, improves breast milk production. Apricots. Apricots also acts as galactagogue. Whole fruit is rich in fiber, calcium and vitamin A and C. Dates. Dates are popular as lactogenic foods as it maintains blood glucose level, which often gets depleted as a lactating mother loses blood glucose through breast milk. Also, it is a rich source of calcium, iron, potassium, vitamin A and fiber. Ghee. Ghee is the richest source of fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E and K, which is most essential for brain function of the infant. It is highly recommended to include ghee in the diet, especially when the nursing mother is a strict vegetarian. It also provides some amount of DHA and vitamin K. Nutritional or brewer's yeast. Nutritional or brewer's yeast is widely used to boost mother's milk supply. It helps in blanching the emotional and energy upside downs, which is a signal of lack of certain essential nutrients in the diet, particularly chromium, vitamin B complex and vitamin B12, which are fortified in nutritional yeast. Brewer's and nutritional yeast also contain protein and good levels of phytoestrogen. Another supplement, brewer's yeast. Drumstick leaves. Drumstick leaves are believed to increase breast milk. It is rich in iron, calcium, vitamin A and is one of the healthiest food for pregnant and breastfeeding mothers. Let us move on to individual dosage and requirement. Each human being is unique. The need of one person vary from the other. Some way, lactating mothers also vary in the case of special foods intake as such lactogenic foods. These special foods are to be taken according to the individual experiences, as they can learn the dosage levels that work best for them for the building and maintaining sufficient amount of milk for the baby. Excess intake of these items should be avoided as it may cause unnecessary difficulties such as oversupply, engorgement and plugged ducts. Let me conclude by saying that although we have a wide selection of lactogenic foods, don't forget that not all the mothers are created equal. Thus, what worked for one individual may not work for the other one. It is often a quest on its own. For any low supply, breastfeeding mother have to try to identify the lactogenic food that works best for her or the individual, and it could be very well be a combination of several of those lactogenic foods which have been already mentioned. A key to successful and effective breastfeeding is to nurse the baby frequently. Having a healthy dietary pattern with adequate nutrients will help in obtaining good quality and quantity of breast milk. Adding some galactagogue in the daily diet can increase the breast milk supply. Perfect positioning and perfect latch are essential for breastfeeding. Drinking adequate water and taking adequate rest are also important for good and peaceful lactation period. Thank you.